Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a strawberry balsamic broccoli salad. This fresh summer salad uses seasonal produce and I make a homemade dressing with only 3 ingredients. It's quick and easy for lunch. Let me show you guys how to make it. So first we're gonna grab all of our ingredients. So we have some romaine lettuce, red onion, red pepper, carrot, and then the star of this salad is our broccoli and our fresh strawberries. And I have fresh strawberries from my farm box today. They're so delicious. I can't wait to put them in this salad. And then this ingredient is optional, but I love putting some summer sausage in this salad because it adds some protein and the flavor is just so delicious. If you guys don't have summer sausage, salami is also a great alternative that has a very similar flavor. And you guys could also do chicken, turkey, or ham as well. So first we're gonna chop our romaine lettuce. Now we're gonna add this into our salad bowl. Next, we're gonna chop some red pepper. Then some red onion. And you guys can feel free to do as much or as little red onion as you like. Then we're gonna chop our broccoli florets. And now I just like to trim off the stems and then slice them into little bite-sized pieces. Next, we're gonna slice our strawberries. And now I like to grate the carrot using the large size grater. So now that we have all of our veggies prepped, if you guys are adding summer sausage or another kind of protein, then you can chop that up as well. So now we're just gonna add everything into the bowl with our lettuce. So now we have this gorgeous summer salad and all we have to do is add the dressing. And so I love making my own salad dressing because I really try to avoid seed oils whenever possible, and they're in so many store-bought dressings and I just don't think they're necessary. So we're gonna make our own today with just 3 organic ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and a citrus pepper spice mix. So this dressing tastes similar to like if you had a citrus vinaigrette. That's basically what we're making here with just 3 ingredients. And now I'm using the Fresh Jack's citrus pepper blend. I'll link it in the description for you guys because it goes really well with the salad. So we're gonna make this homemade dressing right on top of the salad. We're just gonna drizzle on a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of balsamic, and then a few shakes of our citrus pepper blend. So feel free to adjust the olive oil and the balsamic and even the seasoning to your liking. Then mix it up and it's going to be ready to serve. And now we have the most delicious fresh summer salad with homemade salad dressing with no seed oils. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. Tell me what your favorite protein is to add into this salad. And if you want more easy and healthy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.